DDCs, or digital-to-digital converters, are a controversial addition to HiFi setups. Some say it's useless snake oil, while others swear it improves the audio quality tenfold. When I got my hands on the Denafrips Hermes 12th, I had to find out. Please leave a like and let's get to it. This is an area where Denafrips consistently shines, and the Hermes is no exception. Right off the bat, you can feel the heft. This isn't some lightweight plastic box with a Raspberry Pi inside. It's a substantial piece of equipment reflecting the quality of the components inside and the robust construction. First impressions matter, and the Hermes 12 doesn't disappoint. The front panel, made from high-quality aluminum, is available in two classic finishes, black and silver. Both options will complement any audio setup, as those are rather neutral colors. The black version, which I have here, offers a sleek and modern look. The rest of the chassis is constructed from sturdy metal, ensuring durability and shielding against unwanted interference from outside world. Denafrips always makes their components with virtually no plastic parts, and this one is no different. The Hermes 12 isn't just about looks though, it's built to last. The robust construction inspires confidence, and you can tell that this unit is designed to be a long-term investment in your audio setup. Some cheap devices from China just feel like they are gonna break in a month. This isn't one of them. The device's weight is also reassuring, indicating the quality of the components inside and the enclosure. While we can't delve too deep into the internal design without taking it apart, as I'm kinda scared I'm gonna break something, Denafrips is known for using high-quality components in their products. Plus, they include pictures of the inside on their website. Looking at them, the Hermes 12 is no exception, featuring an oversized ADVA O-core shielded transformer and multiple sets of ultra-low noise, precision linear power regulators. This ensures that all circuits receive a clean and stable power supply, which is crucial for optimal performance. In terms of the size, the Hermes 12 is relatively compact, making it easy to integrate into your existing setup. It's not too large or bulky, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding a spot for it on your rack. However, for desktop setups, it's a bit wide, which can be problematic for some. Overall, this DDC impresses with its build quality and design. It's a well-crafted piece of equipment that exudes quality and sophistication. The minimalist aesthetic, combined with the robust construction, makes it a standout in its class. If you're looking for a DDC that not only sounds great, but also looks the part, the Hermes 12 is definitely worth considering. One thing I especially appreciate here, regarding its appearance, is the way it can fit in almost every setup with all styles of electronics. The Hermes offers a comprehensive selection of inputs and outputs, giving you plenty of options to integrate it into your system. This flexibility is key for optimizing your digital audio chain. Starting with the inputs, we have the standard power connector, of course. Then, for digital audio, we've got a USB input, which is ideal for connecting directly to your computer, for playback from streaming services, or your personal music library. Next, we see an AES EBU input, a professional-grade, balanced connection, often used with high-end digital sources. Optical Toslink provides another option for connecting digital sources, particularly those where electrical isolation is beneficial. A coaxial input is also included for compatibility with a wide range of digital devices. Finally, and this is a key feature for advanced setups, we have two clock BNC inputs. These allow you to connect an external clock, like Denafrips' own clocks, to further refine the timing and reduce jitter, taking your audio performance to the next level. Moving on to the outputs, the Hermes 12 again offers a good variety. We have a coaxial output providing a standard digital connection to your DAC, an optical output mirrors the input option, offering flexibility in connecting to different devices. Now, here's where the things get interesting. The Hermes 12th features two I2S outputs, one over RJ45 and the other over HDMI. I2S is a digital audio connection that transmits the audio data and clock signals separately, minimizing jitter and improving sound quality. Having both RJ45 and HDMI options ensures compatibility with a broader range of DACs that support I2S. Finally, we have two AES EBU outputs. These balanced outputs can be used to connect two separate DACs for bi-amping or other advanced configurations. One of the standout features is the variable Selectable I2S output. You can actually select between different I2S pin configurations. This crucial feature ensures compatibility with various DACs, even those with non-standard I2S implementations, which are quite common unfortunately. With this feature, you can make it work with everything. For the serious audiophiles, this DDC provides the option to use external clocks. With dedicated clock BNC inputs, you can connect a high-quality external clock. Speaking of clocks, the Hermes utilizes a superior quality OCXO, or oven-controlled crystal oscillator. This clock maintains a very stable temperature for the crystal oscillator, resulting in extremely precise clocking and minimal phase noise. This high-precision internal clock is a crucial foundation for its exceptional performance. A critical element is the implementation of a FIFO buffer and reclocking. FIFO buffering isolates the incoming data from the timing of the source, minimizing the influence of jitter from the source devices. The reclocking stage is used to generate a new, extremely accurate clock signal for the outgoing audio. This combination effectively eliminates jitter and ensures a solid digital signal is sent to your DAC. The Denafrips Hermes 12th DDC isn't designed to impart a particular color or flavor to the audio. Its strength lies in what it reveals, the inherent character of your DAC, but elevated, refined, and turned up to 11. It's less about adding something new and more about removing the obstacles that prevent your DAC from performing at its best. It's as if the veil has been removed from the music, revealing a newfound clarity and focus. Details that have been previously subtle or masked completely become more prominent, yet without any harshness or artificiality. This increased clarity extends across the entire frequency spectrum. It doesn't boost up the treble range even the slightest bit, though still, cymbals shimmer with realism. The subtle nuances of high-pitched vocals are rendered with exceptional clarity. The highs become simply more defined. The bass frequencies also benefit significantly. The Hermes tightens up the low end, providing a more controlled and defined bass response. This also isn't about adding more bass, it's about making the existing bass more precise and impactful. The low frequencies become less sloppy, the soundstage becomes wider, deeper, and more immersive. Instruments are placed more securely within the sonic landscape, with less movement and uncertainty. The imaging, the ability to pinpoint the location of instruments, is also enhanced, contributing to a greater sense of realism. Perhaps the most significant improvement is in the overall sense of naturalness and musicality. The Hermes seems to inject a sense of life into the digital audio stream. The music flows more effortlessly with a greater sense of ease and dynamics. This makes for a much more enjoyable and engaging listening experience, reducing listening fatigue and allowing you to connect with the music on a deeper level. It's sort of like tube gear, but with no coloration or any downsides. So, the Hermes 12 is not snake oil. It provides a clear, noticeable improvement to the sound quality.